Hi everyone. Today I will review the previous lesson. Let's begin. The first sound is mm, 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 and main course. Main course. What do you want from the main course? What do you want for the main course? Medium, medium, medium. I'd like medium, please. I'd like medium, please. More, more. Would you like to order more? And the second sauce. Oh, 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 oh. And nice, nice, very nice. Thank you. Evening, evening, evening. Good evening, sir, madam. Expensive, expensive. It's 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 too expensive. It's too expensive. And third the third sound. Oh, 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 oh. And table, table, table. Yeah. And I'd like I'd like to book a table, please. Else, else. Can I get you anything else? All, all, all. That's all. Thank you. And the final sound. Mm, 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 mm. And morning, morning, morning. Good morning, sir, madam. Thank, 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 thank. I'll be right back. Drink, drink, drink. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? And this video is finished. Thank you for listening.